Hey everybody, today is a new day in Kota Kinabalu, aka KK, and I'm gonna tell you a little bit about Kota Kinabalu, and then we're gonna fly to Sandakan. So stay tuned and check it. So Kota Kinabalu is the capital of Sabah, and Sabah is in the northern part of Borneo. Borneo, the Malaysian part of Borneo is split in two. The northern part is Sabah, the southern part is Sarawak. Yeah, it's basically like the starting point for your adventures. Most of the people are flying here to go further to either hike the Mount Kota Kinabalu. That's the highest mountain in Southeast Asia. That's why it's very popular. Kota Kinabalu is a very modern city. It's got a lot of malls and it has a nice ocean front with a lot of bars where you can hang out and watch a beautiful sunset. If it's not raining, like in this part. I just wanted to show you the nice waterfront where you can hang out, have a nice couple of drinks, enjoy the sun, and have a nice view. I've seen also a lot of nice sunsets, but in that time it was really rainy. If you want to explore a little bit of Kota Kinabalu, you can go to this small high point where you have a small overview over the city. But if you have a little bit more time, just rent a scooter and go to Kokol Hill. I did this in the other adventure, so check it out here. I also went another afternoon over behind the markets to the fixture auction area, or for where all the containers come back, and then it was really crazy to see how much fish they actually getting out of the water. I like to see local areas, how they really work and how it is really for them, and everybody's actually nice to me, to seeing me there and wanted to make a picture with me. So that was really cool. What's also very interesting, because of the different cultures, you have the chance to see different religions. You can go to a Chinese temple in the afternoon and later visit a nice mosque. And afterwards, yeah, go over the night market and check out the nice food that they're having, the nice fruits that they're having, and just try it. Just try the local food. You have the chance to eat such great food here, so just try it. I mean, there are a lot of other places where you can go. You can go to the wetlands to see the fireflies, the prosthetic monkeys. You can go to the Mari Mari cultural village. That's a cultural village how the tribes were living earlier in the days here. And yeah, also of course the island hopping, what you can directly do in front of Kota Kinabalu. I also did that. We went to 2 islands. If you want to see that, check that out here in the link. And yeah, now I think it's time to go to Sandakan. Let's go! Finally arrived in Sepilok. There are actually more ways to get from Kota Kinabalu to Sepilok. I took the easiest way by plane, because I find quite a cheap plane ticket. Actually, it would be much cheaper if I booked it 2 days in advance. But yeah, the other way around would be to take a bus. That's gonna be about 6 to 8 hours. And the bus station is also not directly located in KK, so you have to go 20 minutes ride to the bus terminal where the bus is going. and I heard you pay around 40 or 50 ringgit for that. You might wonder why I'm going to Sepilok, because here's the orangutan sanctuary, and here you have the chance to see half wildish animals in their natural habitat. They're taking care of them if they were orphans or been hurt because of oil plantations that have been built. And yeah, there's a sad backstory behind that. If you want to read about that, just Google a little bit. And yeah, I'm very excited to see tomorrow one of those. I hope you enjoyed that episode. Please leave a thumbs up there. Don't forget to subscribe, and hope to see you next time.